And that leaves us with step 5 complete with only seeing 2 gray pieces like the step shows. Okay, so now it looks like we're gonna set this aside for a second. It's gonna have me build something different. So I need 1 blue piece, 2 small squares, and 1 kind of see-through red piece. Again, you got to be really careful with placement. So we're gonna go ahead and put a couple dots of glue in the bottom of this. And then a lot of the times when it comes to the clear ones, I don't glue them because the glue ends up ruining the piece, and you can kind of sort of